Let's say you are working on an object detection problem and now you want to annotate thousands of images with appropriate bounding box and the class name. This will be very time consuming task. How about I show you a model which is about 3 billion parameter and does the work. Welcome to NVIDIA's Locate Anything. This is 3 billion vision language model that can locate any object and even does more things. In the video, we will see all about this new Locate Anything model. First, I would like to show you detection problem with this sushi images, and when I hit run inference, it will identify all the sushi, and you can see it actually streamed the sushi and the bounding box, and it has accurately identified the sushis. And then it is also capable for OCR. So when I do run inference, you will see it will identify the text and the bounding box of the text as well. So this Locate Anything 3 billion model is very powerful. NVIDIA also have published a paper on the same, and I'll show you a couple of use cases of this model. First, it can identify multiple objects, it can detect objects, it can perform OCR, it can also be used for objects in GUI, so basically GUI grounding. And the way this thing works is that it spit out tokens and bounding box dimension on the fly. So this is really powerful, and they have provided all the details of how they have built this and how the performance is against the standard OCR and object detection technologies. There is a repository called Eagle by NY Labs. It has this embodied functionality that we are looking at, and it is helping us to locate anything with high quality and speed. Also, in order to get the model's weight and other supporting files, they have Hugging Face page, and it has all the things that you need. I'll show you the models. So there are two models, two safe tensors, about 8 GBs of the model, and the supporting files are there, and there are clear instructions about how to use this. Installation of couple of dependencies can be tricky. So what you need to do is that first install these dependencies, then build this mag attention from the GitHub source, if it is possible for you to install this, and then you run the code, but the code might fail. So what I have done is that I have created running example of this Locate Anything repository, and I would like to first show you the run itself. So I'll just come here and let me clear the screen, and I'll just run the main file. Meanwhile it's running, I'll show you what we are doing. So this is function to parse the result. Then there is this one to annotate the image. So the way it works is that you create a worker. This worker initializes the model itself, and it has a predict function, and this predict function basically does all the things. On top of the predict function, you write a couple of other supporting functions, like for object detection, in case you want to do phrase grounding, then you want to identify multiple instances of a particular thing in an image by phase grounding of multiple instances. Then you want to do OCR, you can do with text grounding. Then in case you want to do find a pointer to particular objects in a GUI, you can do that. So these are the few functionalities that you can do, and I think the run has completed. So this is how it spit out the tokens, and you can see in these tokens we have bounding box and it has all the for X, Y, W, H for the object, and you can see we have about a couple of bounding box in the image. So I'll first show you the example image. So this is the example image, and this is the final annotated image. You can see the clarity with which it has come up with the bounding boxes. And yeah, so this works. Now what you need to do is you need to run the same code that I have shown over thousands of images and save the information of the prediction by the model, and then convert the information in the appropriate format that you want. Once you have all of these things, you can train your own object detection model, and the annotation task is completed by a single file. You run a single command and all of your files are annotated. I hope this video is helpful to you and you are now able to annotate your images faster. Finally, this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. I appreciate you watching this. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.